हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो? सब ठीक है ना? सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट वन टॉपिक दैट इज द हेलो अल्केन्स which is from the 12th class. So in that we are going to discuss only introductory part. In that introduction we will discuss what is meant by that halo alkanes, what are the applications of the halo alkanes, all these points. Okay, so firstly we should know that what is meant by that halo alkanes. For that one we should know the definition. So in that, as we know that hydrocarbon means carbon and hydrogen containing compounds. These are called as a hydrocarbons. Okay, so in that there are the two types. One is the aliphatic and second one is the aromatic. So in that we can say that if that halogen group is attached to aliphatic hydrocarbon, what is the point? If halogen atom is attached to aliphatic hydrocarbon, it is called as a haloalkane. It is called as a haloalkane. But if halogen atom is attached to aromatic hydrocarbon, then it is called as a haloarine. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the haloalkenes. So definition of haloalkenes, that is the now see here. What is the definition? Definition is that replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms, replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbons by one or more halogen atoms. One or more halogen atoms are called as haloalkanes. So once again we are discussing that replacement of means one or more hydrogen. If we consider in here hydrogen atom is there and here halogen, if one hydrogen atom is replaced by the halogen atom, that is nothing but the haloalkanes. These haloalkanes are represented like Rx. In that R is the alkyl group, while X is the halogen. Clear to everyone? So for that one we will discuss some examples. Which are these examples? First one we will discuss, that is the CH3Cl. In this CH3 is the methyl group. Okay, and here this is the chlorine atom replaced. Means starting material for that one is the CH4, that is the methane. In that methane, total number of hydrogen are 4. One hydrogen atom is replaced, so it is the CH3X. So in this way we can say that one hydrogen atom is replaced by the one halogen atom, and that is nothing but the CH3Cl. Clear to everyone? So this is the one example. If we want to know what is the name of that one, for that one I will tell you one point. Hope so you have completed the definition. If not, take a screenshot and you can complete the notes also. Okay, now see here. If we consider name, in short I will tell you, because after that we will discuss the one point that is in the next video, that is the nomenclature. So in that, when CH3 is there, we are saying it as a methyl. Okay, if it is C2H5 is there, then we are calling it as a ethyl. Okay, when we are writing the common name, at that time fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are named as a fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, so firstly we are going to discuss only the IUPAC, no, not IUPAC, common name of this one. So CH3 means methyl, Cl is there, so we have to write here chloride. So this is the common name of this CH3Cl. Next one example, we can say that C2H5Cl, that is nothing but the ethyl. If we are taking Br, then ethyl bromide will be there. Okay, so this is the common name of this one. Have you observed anything in that halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom? Means in that we can say that halogen atom, fourth point we are discussing, that is the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon. Clear to everyone? So these are the introductory part, or we can see the definition, example, all these points are there. Now we are going to discuss the applications of this haloalkanes. In that application, firstly we can say that applications, it is used as a, first application, used as a non-polar solvent. It is used as a non-polar solvent. Second application, if we consider that, second application is, it is used as a starting material. It is used as a starting material for the synthesis of, organic compound. It is used for the synthesis of organic compounds. As we know that if we want to prepare higher alkane, at that time also we can use that starting material as a alkane. Okay, that alkane, haloalkane. If we want to prepare any polymer, in that polymer formation also we can use that starting material haloalkane. Clear? Third application, if we discuss, in that we can say that it is a medicine related. If we consider the typhoid, as we know that everyone, typhoid, at that time fever is coming. Okay, so typhoid fever क्योर करने के लिए हमें जो मेडिसिन दिया जाता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द क्लोरोफिनेकॉल. व्हाट इज द नेम? दैट इज द क्लोरोफिनेकॉल. सी हियर, क्लोरोफिनेकॉल. सो दिस drug is used, or this drug is produced from the soil microorganism. It is means that chloramphenicol is produced by soil microorganism. It is produced by soil microorganism which is used for the treatment of typhoid fever. Okay, so that is the point. These are the three applications. So hope so you have written these three applications. Okay, next, every time we are observing that add also iodized namak, like that. So in that we can say that iodine is also very important in our body. So that iodine which produces one hormone in our body, that is the thyroxine. Hormone. It is produced in our body. If there is a deficiency of this iodine, it causes, because of deficiency, means deficiency of iodine causes the one disease, that is the goiter. I think so everyone knows that goiter. Okay, so this goiter is because of deficiency of the iodine. So here we have completed the application part also. Another one application is that chloroquine. That chloroquine is used in the treatment of malaria. So these are the applications of the haloalkane. So here we have written only few applications, as well as it is used in the agri field also. So here we have completed that introduction part of the haloalkanes. Thank you all of you.